Hi, in front of me is ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this device. Start by opening sound recorder and clicking allow. Now tap on the red button to start your recording. You can pause it by clicking on the same button and unpause it the same way. If you wish to end your recording, tap on the left button with a square on it and enter name of your recording. Now tap on the right button over here, and as you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, click on edit at the top right corner, click on your recording and choose bin icon at the bottom right corner. Then click delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!